Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a new tutorial. Check out the screen to see what we are making. It's a flower tutorial, but here is a twist. We are using a magic product to make those flowers flow effortlessly. I have broken down the steps in super simple way so that you can create easily at home. Let's start by applying the first layer of gel polish and cure it under the UV light for about 30 seconds. Then apply a second layer of gel polish and cure it for 60 seconds under the UV light again. Remember, the first layer should be thin while the second layer need to be thick. That's it. Time for the magic touch. Introducing the blooming gel, simply apply the blooming gel all over your nail, ensuring every part is covered. This gel is what makes the design flow seamlessly from one area to another. So make sure not to leave any spot untouched, as the design won't flow properly otherwise. Next step, grab your dotting tool and create 5 dots just like you see in the video. Make sure the dots are a bit bigger, not small. As you apply the dot, you will see it start to flow slowly. Keep it simple and watch the magic happen. Using your nail art brush, it's time to add some stroke lines near the inner corner of the flower, just like you can see in the video. You can create as many lines as you like, following your preference. Make sure to do this for each circle. Once you're done with the inner corner, repeat the same process for the outer corner, ensuring no part is left untouched. If you think it's not perfect, no worries, just add more strokes and turn them into lines to give it that beautiful flower look. Don't be afraid to experiment until you're happy with the result. Remember, practice makes perfect. Take your time and enjoy the process of creating your unique flower design. After finishing your design, give it a few seconds to let the strokes flow as we have created. Then place the nail under the UV light for about 60 seconds to let the gel polish dry and set. This step ensures your design stay in place and look fabulous. Next, add a dot in the middle of the flower to give that flowery effect. Cure it under the UV light for about 30 seconds. Then apply a shiny top coat all over the nail to give it extra shine and seal the design and polish. Once you're done applying the top coat, cure it under UV light for around 30 seconds. And there you have it, a stunning glossy finish to your beautiful nail design. If you enjoyed watching this video and learned something new, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel to stay updated on daily uploads. Your support means a lot. Thank you.